Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Money from Crypto channel. In this video, we will discuss migrating Safemoon version 1 to version 2 via Safemoon wallet. First, we look at the current Safemoon price on the coin market cap. Here we see that the Safemoon price is still very cheap. Yes, for 0.000000146 dollars per coin. Safemoon V2 is an upgrade from Safemoon V1. The purpose of this upgrade is to improve security, functionality, and facilitate pairing with other coins or tokens for easy listing on various crypto exchanges and increase token scalability. In this Safemoon V2, our coin will be consolidated. Suppose we have 1 million coins and the price is $1. We will have 1000 coin, but the value is still same, $1. Let's go straight to the main topic of our discussion. This time about how to migrate Safemoon from version 1 to version 2 with a Safemoon wallet. First, make sure the Safemoon wallet on your Android or iPhone is always updated. If you haven't updated, then you have to update soon. In the picture, we show an example of updating on the Google Play Store. In the Apple Store, the process is the same. After we finished update the app or Safemoon wallet and then open it. Then the screen will show like that. Consolidate your version 1 Safemoon to V2 Safemoon. In this instruction, we detected you have a balance of V1 Safemoon. However, we have recently upgraded our contract to V2. Conversion to V2 will be required to hold the proper Safemoon in order to obtain value from our ecosystem and smart contract moving forward. What is V2 Safemoon? Simply put, Safemoon V2 is version 2 of the Safemoon smart contract. We have improved flexibility, security, and accessibility of the traditional Safemoon token by adding mechanisms that allow Safemoon to be more widely utilized within our ecosystem and future partners. This upgrade will allow Safemoon to be more scalable and interoperable within the cryptocurrency landscape. This note, there is no cost of Safemoon to convert. Your full amount of Safemoon V2 will be equal in value to your initial V1 Safemoon after conversion. What will I need to do? Step 1. Ensure you have enough BNB in your wallet set aside for the gas fees. Typically, just a few dollars should be enough. You will first need to approve the new contract for trade and then swap your V1 Safemoon to V2 Safemoon. Unfortunately, this is a blockchain cost we don't control as token developers. Step 2. Optional. You can do it or not, it's up to you. Click the Consolidate Now button, then add a small amount of V1 Safemoon to swap for V2 Safemoon as a test transaction. Step 3. After you are comfortable, you can now swap all your V1 Safemoon for V2 Safemoon by clicking Max on the swap. This will fill in the max amount of V1 Safemoon you have in your balance to swap for the upgraded V2 Safemoon. Then just click swap to initiate the transaction. Like this. So then you have to click consolidate now, and then new screen will like that. Important, please note that after your Safemoon has been consolidated into V2 Safemoon, it will not show a price for a period of time. Do not panic. This is normal. Once a sizable amount of holders begin migrating, the market cap will eventually find a stable price and then it will be displayed. Please be patient during this time. This is Safemoon V2 contract. And then click over I have read and I understand. And then swap the Safemoon you have. You can swap a little to test transaction, or you can directly swap a lot of your tokens or Safemoon tokens, and then click swap and approve. Okay, that is the tutorial. Then the end of your Safemoon upgrade will be look the total amount of coins in your Safemoon wallet, but the amount of money is still not show. Don't panic, it takes a time to show. Okay, this is the end of our tutorial. Keep in mind the crypto market is very volatile, meaning it can go up and down instantly. Therefore, keep doing in-depth research to choose an investment for coin or token. Invest will cost money, and when it lost, it has no effect on daily life. For other videos, please see the playlist on the Money from Crypto YouTube channel. You can learn about crypto education, crypto news, tips, tricks, and potential coin or tokens, as well as many other things about cryptocurrencies. You can also request videos in the comment for us to discuss. That's enough of our video today. Hopefully it can enlighten Safemoon holders. Help like, comment, subscribe, and share so this channel can grow. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.